Lesson 4. Grammar 4.2. Part 2. Native Korean numbers. Korean uses two sets of numbers, Sino-Korean numbers and Native Korean numbers. In this video, we will learn about Native Korean numbers and some counters used with them. Let's count from 1 to 10 in Native Korean numbers. Please repeat after each number.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
11 is
열하나,
a Native Korean number and 12 is.
열둘,
Now let's count from 11 to 19 in Native Korean numbers.
열하나, 열둘, 열셋, 열넷, 열다섯, 열여섯, 열일곱, 열여덟, 열아홉.
Native Korean numbers are commonly used below 100. Let's count from 20 to 90 by tens.
스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰, 예순, 일흔, 여든, 아흔.
Native Korean numbers over 20 are most commonly used to express someone's age. When you count, you must use different counters. Nouns are classified into many groups depending on shape or kind. The counter for books is.
권,
The counter for animals is.
마리,
The counter for general objects is.
개,
The counter for people is.
명.
The following 5 Native Korean numbers have slightly different forms when used with counters.
하나,
Becomes
한,
before a counter.
둘,
Becomes
두, 셋,
becomes
셋, 넷,
becomes
네, 스물,
becomes.
스무.
Now let's count some items in Native Korean numbers.
사과 한 개, 사과 두 개, 세 개, 네 개, 다섯 개, 여섯 개, 일곱 개, 여덟 개, 아홉 개, 열 개. 사람 한 명, 두 명, 세 명, 네 명, 다섯 명, 여섯 명, 일곱 명, 여덟 명, 아홉 명, 열 명.
How many people are there? Fill in the blank with the most appropriate Native Korean number. How many bags are there? Fill in the blank with the most appropriate Native Korean number.